Okay, so this layout is a little old, or not this layout, but this. Here's my sketch I'm going to use. So this is my whole pre-plan this at all, and that's the paper it is. And so Mateo and I went to my assistant that I had when I was in pre-K 2 years ago. Sister is the secretary in the office, and then Lori was my assistant. So here I'm going to change out my ATG. I love this tape, Jungle Tape. The ones before I didn't like because it would come off the roll, but this one is match to match with the actual Scotch tape. So if you're looking at cheaper alternatives, this is for $50. I received, I think it was 24 or 25 rolls, which last me 3 years. I use about 8 rolls a year is what I figured up. I figured out how many rolls I had, and then I figured out when I purchased them, and I used about 8 rolls a year. So I did make the decision to buy the 144 rolls because that will last me like 16 years or something like that. Yeah, so I have a ton. I'm not going to run out anytime soon. Because I figured in 3 years, if I spent 50, and then in 3 years I need more, I have to pay another 50. So to get 100 to equal the 144 rolls, I would actually spend more the way I'm getting 25 rolls each time. So it was cheaper to get the more rolls. Anyway, enough on that. So Mateo's going into 2nd grade. He was in kindergarten at this time. Just trying to find what else I can use for layers. That was the cut apart sheet, but I don't have the. That's where I got some of my cards and strips from previous layouts where I said I didn't write it down yet. That's the paper, but I don't have the strip for it. So here I'm going to use the stencil to do a circle. I'm just trying to figure out which size circle I should use. So I'm just cutting it out, gonna ink it up and put it in its spot. And this one I'm doing all the layers, and this is just a cookie sheet, air bake cookie sheet. And then in the craft section, I purchased the magnet buttons, and I use that to keep everything in place as I'm layering and figuring out where everything's going to go. I'm just trying to figure out what to use, where. And there's Patton. And yes, he gets in the way. So I can go ahead and glue my stuff down. The thing about these chipboard stickers is they punch out so you don't have to take off the sticker back. So that's nice. That's going to be my cluster. I like it, so I'm going to commit to it. And my title is Good Vibes, and that is the chipboard stickers, and I'm going to use it as my title. And this is actually my second layout using the May kit. I finished April, and with which one? Yeah, Shine On was page 10. I got 10 layouts with the April kit. I only, because there wasn't much for embellishments, like I said in a previous layout for May, so I did only get 6 layouts done in the May, using the May kit, and then I moved on to June. So I am going to do some ink splatters, and then that completes the kit. Or completes my kit, completes the layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys.